Hi, my name is Carrie. I've been with Protect America for 5 years. I was contacted by a customer representative who walked me through the process of getting signed up and sending me my wireless system. I chose the wireless system that I could install myself. When it arrived in the mail, I called Protect America back and got with a customer representative. They told me how to and where to install, the best places to install my sensors and my motion sensors. Everything went well, and they checked everything to make sure that all my sensors worked properly and where they were, and it's been a great experience to have them. I have to say that having this system has been probably the best thing that I've ever done. I feel safe in my home. I know when there's a door or window open, and I thank them very much. I know that the system works and works well because I accidentally set the alarm off for the first time, and it was the first time that the police was called. So that I know my system works well, and I feel very protected with Protect America. So I just want to say thank you to each and every one of the people who have worked with me over the years, and I hope to be with them for many, many more years. I do suggest them to friends, family, and anyone that I even hear talking about they need a new system or what type of system they have. So you guys have done a wonderful job, and I look forward to being with you many more years. Thank you very much. Protect America.